Magkano ba talaga ang ipon ang kailangan mo para makapag-apply ka ng student visa dito sa Spain? Hola a todos! My name is Colleen or Coco. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung student visa. Kailangan mo ng at least 10,000 euros to 15,000 euros or sadly, dahil mahina ngayon ang Philippine peso, it's about 600,000 to 1.1 million in peso. So, bakit 10,000 to 15,000 euros? Mag-a-apply ka ng student visa, merong proof of funds or show money na kailangang i-present sa embassy. And yung nire-require nilang amount is 600 euros per month or about 42,000 in peso or more, and that's per month. So, example, ang kurso mo ay good for 12 months. So, you need to show 7,200 in euros. So, let's say, handa na yung ipon mo or yung savings mo. May enough savings ka na to apply the student visa. Next is to identify kung anong kurso or anong language study ba, masteral, or any na target mo dito sa Espanya. And ano-ano ang mga requirements. So, passport, yung national visa, kailangan rin ng admission letter or yung acceptance letter sa school kung saan ka nag-enroll. And kailangan health insurance and proof of accommodation. And kapag nag-apply ka sa ibang country, so let's say nasa Middle East ka, kailangan na ma-prove mo na legal resident ka sa country kung saan ka nag-apply. This one is just an overview and you can check the full requirements and full details sa embassy website. So if this info is useful, follow for more. See ya!